AVN Automation is belonging to the AVN group. We are 5 different companies, and AVN Automation is taking care of the Danish and Swedish market with automation components. This is an intelligent feeding system which include a vision system, a robot and a feeding system here. The feeding systems you can get in 4 different sizes, and it takes care of products from 5 to 6 millimeters up to 60 to 70 millimeters in the length. The cycle time is from 1 to 2 seconds. It depends on product. The product is then, after the robot had taken it, placed in a fixture or what else it should be, so you can continue working with a product in a machine or what else it should be. Here you have the software screen where we can see the vision system taking pictures of the product. The system is available in the medical industry, electronic industry and mechanical industry where you need intelligent feeding. Here we have an example from a Swedish machine builder named Dalumverken. They have a SCAR robot from Denso here with an intelligent feeding system, and in the top you have the vision system. Denso Robotics is the biggest manufacturer of small and medium-sized robots in the world. They have 4-axis, 5-axis and 6-axis types, and in totally more than 80 models.